so I thought I'd just do an unboxing of my Beautylish Lucky Box. They do this every year. Usually they sell it really fast. I didn't do it last year, the year before, and this year for some reason I did it because, well, I thought, I looked at the website like 2 hours after it opened. I said, if there's the XL Lucky Box left, I'll order it. Usually they're sold out right away. It was still left, so that's probably not a good sign. But I haven't done it for 2 years because the last time I did it, I ended up with one little eyeshadow palette. There was a mistake. I ended up with an $11 eyeshadow palette. So it kind of annoyed me. They did give me my money back, but I was still kind of off put by it. So this year I got it. I don't know what I was thinking. But I've been kind of good. I haven't bought a ton of boxes or subscription boxes. So anyway, I thought I'd just do a little unboxing of it. So we'll see. Watch me stab myself. There we go. That was close. I almost did stab myself. Ta-da. Let's see what I got. And in some of these, they put a gift card, but I feel I'm not that lucky. I guess this is it. I don't see a gift card in here, do you? No gift card. Okay, well. Oh, well. What are you going to do? Trying to find the seam on this. Oh, here it is. Da-da-da. I can already tell there's one thing in here I already own. Which is why it's risky to do it, especially when you already own a ton of stuff. I'm going to gently flip this over. Okay, I got hair biotin thickening treatment. Is this a leave-on product? It's frozen solid. I can't tell. Oh, here you go. Visible results after apply. Oh, it's a rinse off like a mask. I like that. I don't like leave-in hair products at all. I hate them. Except for Moroccan oil and the K18 mask. So frozen because it's like 0 degrees here. Let's see. Smoke Reflect Cream and Doer Powder Eyeshadow. I've never heard of this brand. Auric. Should I look at it? Let's see. Cameraman's trying to tell me to go faster, but I know you guys want to see what this looks like. Oh, interesting. It's like a duo thing. So it's like cream and powder blush or something. Here we go. It's never going to open up. My nails are too long. There we go. Oh, it's like an eyeshadow. No, I dropped it on the dirty
way
floor.
over there.
Oh, okay.
Just
too far away. Okay. So it looks green. And then it's got a powder. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a duochrome almost. Well, I'll definitely play with that. Oh, interesting. Dana Muric's Yummy Skin Glow Serum. Firming Face Serum. In the shade Main Squeeze. It's supposed to be bronze. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Apply to face under makeup or wear alone. So it's supposed to be like a foundation serum, I guess. I have a feeling that's going to be too dark. Should I just... okay. I won't mess with it more. Lip balm. Oh, Bioderma lip balm. I really like lip balms, and this may stay with me or may go to my dad. He's been really interested in lip balms lately. Wouldn't you agree, cameraman?
Mm-hmm.
He's really getting into them. So, okay, I already have this one, the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I really like it, though. It's really good. See, a Wayne Goss lipstick in the shade Carnation. I will say, I think 2 years ago when I did my last Lucky Box, that might have been the one product I got. There's an I can't remember now. Or maybe I got this in a box. I can't remember, but I got one of them and I gave it away. A brush. A kabuki brush. Some of these are like really expensive brands. Kuman Foodie. Anyway, looks like a nice brush though. Not that I need more brushes, but it looks very nice. Some of those brushes can be very expensive, I guess. Let's see, Charlotte's Magic Cream Lightweight Moisturizer with 20 SPF. Come on, 20? What am I going to do with this? I guarantee this is probably the most expensive product in the entire thing. But 20 SPF, I guess I could maybe wear it on cloudy days. I don't know. It looks like it's got a lot of fragrance in it, too. Yeah, okay, whatever. I don't know. Whatever. I'll see. Visart. Violet. Entendu something. Eyeshadow palette. Oh, here we go. Purples. That's pretty. I have so many eyeshadow palettes. That's why I shouldn't buy these. You know what I mean? Because I'm so picky. Either I'm going to have everything or it's going to be SPF 20. Which I guess is still better than no SPF. But last but not least, the Slip. Oh, one of these. Is this like a... Is this a pillow thing? A pillowcase? Yeah, it is. Sleep Silk pillowcase. My friend sleeps on silk pillowcases. I don't, because I don't sleep on my face. I sleep on my back, so I won't use it. But you know what? I guarantee she'd love it. So that's going to get handed down. Most of this stuff I'm probably not going to keep. Most of it's probably going to be gifted away. But anyway, well, there we go. That's the chances you take. This is probably, I don't know which one's the superstar of it. These are probably $30. This is probably more expensive, so I don't know. Anyway, I'll play with the rest of them and give the rest away like usual. So I don't know. Anyway, interested if you guys got a lucky box or not, and what you get if you got one. So okay, that's all I got. Thanks. Bye, guys.